Hey everybody, welcome back to the Real Estate Machine Show and Marich Machine Mondays. Thank you so much for joining me today. So you can see behind me is a skid, a pallet full of packaged parts. And guess who packed all these parts? Mr. Matan. I packed them. I wear a lot of hats around here. You know, arguably my name can be on the door, and but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You know, I'd love to be able to delegate this to somebody. You know, at the same point, I don't mind always doing it. I like being part of you know, what comes in and what goes out. You know, and you know, it also shows the guys you know, that I'm part of the team down here and not just sitting upstairs in that ivory tower. So I think that that's critical to the culture that we've built here. But most importantly, somebody's got to get this done to get it out to the customer and keep the customer happy, right? So if that happens to be me today, I'm more than happy to do it. And, you know, that's just kind of the reality of it is when you're dealing with a shop like this. You know, we're kind of a tight little team, but, you know, we all pull together and do things that, you know, we all just kind of do whatever we got to do. And, you know, obviously there's, you know, there's a million other things that I can be doing. But, you know, sometimes, you know, the chips fall this way, no pun intended, and, you know, I'm the one that packs up these parts and gets them ready to ship out. So anyway, I hope that that's a little bit of a tidbit for the day. And, you know, any of you that are wearing a ton of hats in your business, I feel you. But, you know, sometimes you just got to do it. You know, one of these days I'll be able to get a guy in here, girl, to, you know, to handle all this kind of all this end of the business for me so that I can focus on other things. But until then, grind away. We'll talk soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.